Lagi Pak Des, trek yang kedua Pak
Private
Des, second
Indian
strike Pak
Ocean
Des.
fishing
Second strike Pak
charters.
Des, second strike. Ah,
Looking for Bali experience
second
beyond
strike, second
another
strike.
beach day? Step aboard your private fishing boat and on ancient the ancient for a few unforgettable hours. Purpose built outrigger boat for comfort and serious deep sea action epic view of the terrace Mount Agung. Includes hotel pickup and drop off, English speaking driver, expect fishing assistant and crew, quality gear, reel and bait,
Slowly.
mineral water, Indonesian lunch.
Maybe 1 kilogram.
If you would like to do fishing in Candidasa, please call
Oh, very good.
and phones WhatsApp available, and also on Facebook
Big fish
search
again.
fishing trip Candidasa Bali. So we would like to take you fishing around Candidasa
Nyudi.
and the Three Sister Island. So please message us and we try
Signature.
our best
Oi,
for you
jangki. Melam si ulung. Woi, jangki
catching
moncong ki.
fish.
Woi, big fish 1 kilogram.
After that, we would like to have a lunch with a grilled fish.
Big
So
fish,
the
big
fish
fish.
that we catch from the ocean and ready to grill like this. So your lunch will be served in the restaurant. Thanks.